Welcome po sa ating pag-aaral sa salita ng Diyos. Dito tayo sa Matthew 17, verse 20. Ang sinatin, nothing will be impossible for you. God knows the side of our faith. Siya ang nakakalam kung kaano kalaki ang pagtitiwala mo sa Kanya. God emphasized what faith will give to God. Jesus said in verse 20, if you have faith as a mustard seed, you will say to this mountain, move, na lumipat ka roon. The size of the faith that God requires is the size of mustard seed. Gaano ba kalaki ang buto ng mustasa? Pinakamaliit na buto sa lahat ng halaman. Kaya sanabi ni Jesus sa bersang ito, lahing walang pananampalataya at padilikas ang ulo. Mababasa natin sa 14 hanggang 17. Why some Christians today didn't practice faith that produced a great miracle? Jesus see the faith of our apostle was small than mustard seed. Kaya hindi nila napalayas ang demonyo. Maliit ang kanilang pananampalataya. Kaya na sila nagtatagumpay. And our faith is smaller than mustard seed. What size of faith we have? Trust to God and faith to Him. See what Jesus said to His word. Offer what all of our weakness to Him. Verse 17. What you believe and what you ask to God through faith are God required. Example, si Moses, tumuwid sa dagat. Hindi alam kung babalik pa sila sa Egypto. If you experience a great miracle comes from God, faith like the size of mustard seed, experience and happens, you a miracle of God. Nothing impossible with Him. If you want to change everything into your life, like your life, any problem, you seek lack of financial, etc., believe God, everything change when it command this by your faith. Yun ang gusto ni Jesus. Nothing will be impossible for you that you are faith in God. Even mountain can move. When God speak, your response requires faith. God is interested in your walking with Him by faith. Jesus said to His followers, who will do even greater things than He had, our faith must be based on God's power, not human wisdom. Without faith, without a firm faith, you will be stumble and fall. So, believe and receive. Thank you po. Salamat. Purihin po ang Panginoon. Salamat dito sa kanyang mga salita. Amen.